welcome to whatever floats your boat, where we talk about the things that are important in your life.
I'm Kelsi and she's Nancy. Shouldn't get to say it.
Well, on this talk show, we talk about things that are important, like I said, like abortion.
And cookies.
Or politics.
And more cookies.
Or the stock market.
And Chinese cookies.
Anyways, today on Whatever Floats Your Boat, we're going to be talking about dumb talk shows.
Like iCarly.
That's not a talk show. Never mind. That's not a talk show. Talk shows like
Oprah Winfrey.
Yeah, hers is boring. Why would you want to watch her talk show? I mean, like, our show
Is awesome.
Yeah. Well, this is like our first video, but
It's awesome.
it's awesome. Like, for real. Okay.
Because it's whatever floats your boat. Not my boat, not her boat. Not boat.
We're going to talk about things that you want us to talk about.
And nobody wanted us to talk about this.
That's okay. This is our first show. And so if you totally hate us, then I guess you don't have to watch it. But
Censored.
oh man. Well, anyways, if you don't like it, then you don't have to watch it, but you're really gonna miss out, man. Like, for reals.
Anyways, back to dumb talk shows.
We're not a dumb talk show.
We're a not dumb talk show. Yeah. Like all our kind of talk
Exactly.
show. Not dumb. We should make a song like that. Not dumb talk show.
Talk show.
That's gonna be our new theme song. It's gonna be like, hey,
We don't
you
have
there.
a dumb talk show. We don't. Like that.
and at the end, oh, it'll be like, I'm not
Then it'll
dumb
go,
talk show.
"You're dumb." Like that.
I think that your head got caught on the camera because you went down.
That's okay.
Ow! I hurt my toe. We're gonna talk about that on our next show.
Guess what we're wearing?
Skinny jeans. And they're colorful. See? I can't see.
They're player.
Yeah. Okay, why are we talking about skinny jeans? It's supposed to be about talk shows.
Well, talk shows?
Or dumb.
Yeah. Except for ours. Ours isn't dumb. We got a problem. I don't know. This is kind of dragging on. I have to pee.
Yeah, good one. I'm by myself in a not dumb talk show.
Guys.